How to download a free Minecraft in Android app. Let's start. First, you have to come on this app. This app's name is Google Opinion Rewards. So you have to install this app. While installing, we will go and search Minecraft. Okay, so here is the Minecraft. So it's of 29 rupees, and it so we have to pay them Mojang to we have to pay Mojang 29 rupees to play this game, and sometimes it crashes and we have to again play this. Also, we can play this Minecraft trial. Here we can play free Minecraft only for limited time. Okay, so you can also download this, and if you want to download main Minecraft, so let's go and do this. Get start. Let's log in first. Okay, so I have logged in it. So here we have to answer some questions. What is your favorite type of dessert? Pastries. Next one. When do you usually eat dessert? Like evening. Sometimes. Which of the following dessert from around the world you are familiar with? Brownies. So you have to play like this, and you have to also complete no survey at this complete profile. So when you have done this, you can make balance, and in 2-3 months you can download Minecraft. Also, you can download Minecraft trial. Thanks for watching.